Okay. So the format function. So if I have this information, let's say these variables, integer age equals to 23 and double height equals to 5.11. And I want to display this on the screen. I am 23 years old and 5.11 feet tall. If I want to display this, what should be the printf statement for this in C programming? Anyone? I'm talking about the printf statement.
Yes.
So
Percentage
yeah, tell me.
total. I am percentage
I am percentage D. Okay, I'll just take this entire stuff and put it
Yes,
over
sir.
here. So now at
Yes.
23,
Mehtab is
integer.
not able to see the screen. Can you just unshare and reshare, Umar?
Now,
Mehtab, can you speak?
Sir, I can see.
Hello.
Mehtab, can you see the screen?
Sir, no, sir. It's totally black for me. I'm rejoining the session. Just a second.
Hmm?
Sir,
now,
I again can see. Yes, sir, I can see.
All right, yeah. So Farooq can see. Shavana, can you see? How about Amir?
And yes, sir,
Yes,
I
sir.
can
I
see.
can see.
Okay,
I
then
can
it's
see.
only with the, I think, a Mehtab issue. He will fix it from his end. Yeah, go ahead.
so I am percentage D years old and percentage F feet tall, correct?
Yes, sir. Correct.
After the comma, first come, first serve. Which is the first variable I have placeholder I
Age.
have percentage D.
Age, sir.
Percentage D, I'm expecting an integer over here. Which is the integer I have?
Age.
And here percentage F, I'm expecting a float or a double. Which is a float or double I
Yes,
have?
sir. Height.
Correct? So this same we can do it using the format function. Which function?
Format function.
Format function.
String dot. Which function? Format. And I can
Format.
display this. And I can display this. So what should be output of this now? We have to remove the correct. Now after the decimal, there are how many digits after a decimal?
2 point.
After the decimal, there are how many digits?
There is 6 digits. 6 digits.
I want only 2. Then
Then 0.2. Yes.
Yes. 0.2. Correct.
But sir, we write here a format options. Then what's the benefit of writing a format function?
means
What is the benefit of writing a format functions? Because when we don't write this line, we directly write here a printf function. It can work. Then string format. Then we write all of these.
you are trying to say no need to use format, use printf.
Yes,
This
it can work, sir.
Yes, printf also doing the same job.
Yes,
What
but
format
that
that?
is why we need to write a string format and extra
Yeah.
word and that's it, write all of these lines.
So if I don't want to display this, if I don't want to display this, but I want to prepare a string of this nature and I want to return this string, then how will you do it? If I want to return this string,
If we want to return this, then we use a string format.
then we can do the format. And at times when we display the error messages, no, at times when we display the error messages, then we'll use a lot of format, because what happens is at times we have functions over here. So if I have a get function which is returning me the height, okay, so what will be that function? Public double get height. What will it return me?
Height. Yes. Height.
Correct. And what happened? Okay, this is not locally declared, right? So let's say it just return very random height. And I have a function called as public int, which will give me the get age. Turn me a 23. And as I'll be calling them from a static context, I'll be them as static. A static function can access only static data. And now if I want to display this, I can use, instead of using the proper variables, I can call the functions also only. So we can call the function, whatever that function will return, we can then format that data. And then if you want to display it, you display it. If you don't want to display, you want to do something else with it, then we can use string dot format.
Directly without
So if I don't
changing
want to
the
display-
printf, can you display directly without changing the printf or so on?
So
Or
now
you
if
can
I say
change.
string dot format, and if I say return that, okay, but this is a main method, right? Main returns void, so main will not return it. So let me call a display function. And this out this display function. So I'm calling a function display. I'm calling a function display. Whatever this function will return, I am displaying that. And if I make this function over here and I return this, what happened? Well, I did not copy that. So I just want to see if we can return this. Omega display function, and then when we create this function display, what is this? So you can format and you can return also. If at a point when we want to return this formatted string, then we can use the format function. And that whatever you want to do with it, later on you can do. If you want to display, you display. And if you want to display, you still have that option of format. Let's see what this prints. Should print the same output. Yeah. So if that format function is used for formatting a string, It has other variants also. Apart from this, it has some other features also. Let's see that. Okay, we've studied this percentage S, percentage F. Okay. These are the types which we can use for it. Then we can have all the hexadecimal values. Okay. So now what I want to show in the format function is that see what this will do is will reserve 10 spaces. How much spaces will it reserve?
And spaces.
10D, right? 10D means will reserve how many spaces?
10 spaces.
And what is it displaying?
101.
So how many spaces left now?
7.
How many spaces left?
7.
Out of the 10, how many have I consumed?
3 space, no sir. 1, 4.
Yeah. So how many are left?
7.
7. That 7 will be filled with zeros. Will be filled with
Zeros.
zeros. So if I say this, okay, if I copy this and I come back over here, okay. So I'm returning a string. Okay, this is just the boundaries. This is just to show the boundaries. Start and end. This is nothing to do with any syntax. So now if I run this code, see what it will do. Okay. So here if I wanted to put stars, then stars. If I wanted to put star, 101.
Yes, then we use mode star
Then?
10D.
Yeah.
Star. In place of 0, we use a star keyword. Strike.
No, star
Okay, it shows an error.
is
Unknown
unknown
format conversion.
conversion exception. Unknown format conversion exception. This is being thrown. So you have to give an integer value over here. You have to give a integer value over here. Okay, what if I give the 0 over here? Then let's see what happens. So it is just giving me 1 0. So syntax is, this is the syntax. So
But sir, it's take a lots of space in between 2 lines. You see,
yes,
downside, sir, output in output, there is it take a lots of space between 2 lines, parallel lines.
mhm.
Yes, I don't know about this.
Which one? This space?
The front one, sir, front is starting to and 1. Take a lots of space. 1 0 1 0. Output in output, not upper side.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
This
Yes.
space.
Yes, sir.
This is because of that we are reserving 10 characters for it,
But
no?
sir, it's a more than 7, sir.
Hmm?
Okay, I think it's more than 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay.
So like this, if you want to do any formatting, you can use a format function. Format it with zeros. Okay. See, if you write -10, then see what happens. If I say if I just say 10D and I write 101, what will happen? Data will come towards the right, correct?
Mhm.
And if I say minus 10D, then will come towards the left. You getting it?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to display a bill, of this nature, that shows 1,000 rupees tie, 300 rupees trousers, 9,000 rupees, and total 10,300. How will you display this? Yes.
Okay.
So this
Then
is
we
with
use
left
the
aligned,
string
right?
format. Yeah.
So how
Then
many
we
characters
use
are we
the
keeping
string
reserving
format.
over here?
Choose.
Trousers is 8. Okay. And say I'm keeping 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So how many characters is there for the product name?
4.
Trousers is 8. And then 7
Mhm.
more spaces I'm keeping. Or let's say if I just bring it over here now. Now, so how many characters are there in the word trousers?
Gapping.
Trousers has 8 and 2 spaces. So how many space for the product name?
10.
10.
And how many for the price?
9,000. It's take a 4 space also.
So how will you format this now?
The format, string dot format,
Yeah, tell me.
string dot format, and straight line.
Yes. No need for gift. Just that is just to show that it is a border. Straight line has nothing to do with.
Okay. Then we write
Left
here.
aligned, right? This is left aligned, correct?
Yes.
Percentage minus 10s. And what are we writing? Product, correct?
Product. Yes.
And minus 10s. And what are you writing?
Price. Yes.
Price. Okay. So let's see if this works. If this works. Okay, product is a string, right? Not a variable. And price also is a string, not a variable.
Sir, can we use here a concatenations operator plus sign in place of string dot format? Second time you write here. and we use double in bracket from string format to end, till to end. One more bracket, yes. No, bracket. Round bracket is a string format starting.
Which one?
Sir,
this?
no. Yes,
Okay.
yes, sir.
And now tell me, what else will we need now? So display title I have got. And now I will write one more function, display content. Display content. And push up returning. And just have a void. I do have void. Now what is the first content? What are we displaying? So percentage S, and we are displaying shoes.
1,000 rupees.
And then percentage D. How much are we displaying?
1,000.
1,000. What happened over here? This closes and this closes. Are we doing an extra? So this will close this. This will close this. Then are we opening an extra bracket? Yeah. Okay. And next what now?
Same line copy and then change the name of the variable and price.
Tie. And tie for 300 rupees. Next what? Okay, let's run this. Okay, we have not called the function. We have not called this function.
Semicolon. Say.
Display content is not returning anything. We have not made it a static. Because we are calling it from a static context. Yeah, rest all looks good to me. Yes, got it.
Yes, sir.
So this is the use of the format function. So you can arrange the data in whatever you feel comfortable with. Okay. So this was one function we wanted to discuss. What does the split function do? Any guesses?
Split means
Format.
dividing two or more part string divided.
Okay. What is
into
the
two
substring function do?
Substring as a name of a string. We can write a string, bundle string, more than
Okay,
one
so
string.
if I say from Java T point, I want 2 to 4, what will it return? Starting from which index? 0, 1, 2 index.
Yes, sir.
So from 2 index to which index?
2 to 4. It means, sir, ki VAT.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
but by specifying, you have to give one maximum, one greater. So
Yes,
this will
sir.
be 2 to 3. 2 to,
3.
and if I just
Okay.
give 1, it
VA.
means start from 2 and go till the end.
Okay.
So if I want to take a substring from a big string. So if I just give one index, this is the starting
Mm.
index. Starting index means
Okay.
2. If I don't give the ending index, we'll go till the end. Okay. And if I want to give a range, start and end. So ending index should be given 1 maximum. Should be given 1 extra. Should be given.
One maximum.
So if I want to stop at 3, I will give what? So start at 2 index, end at 3 index. Start at 2 index and end at 3.
So
So you have to specify
we,
one. Yeah, and
we
index 1 extra is specified.
okay. Then we only we if it shows. When you
Means-
write it 2, 3, then it shows only V, not
Yeah,
a VA.
is 2 to 2. So if we have a string and now tell me what are the indexes for this string. What is the index of V?
From 0, V at position of 0 and
0,
1, 2. Okay, 2, 3.
3.
So there's no space between Virat and Kohli or continuously or space there.
I'll put the space. Space also is a character, okay?
Hmm.
Space also is a character. So space will come at index 5, index 6, index 7, 8, 9, and 10. So now if I want to extract Kohli, okay, and this is your name string. Double quotes. So if I want to extract Kohli, what will I say? Name dot
Substring and it start with 6 to 10.
So if I end only, I have to go, no need to give the end.
Okay, 6, only 6.
Start from 6 and go till the end. So it will give me Kohli, right?
It.
Okay, if I want to remove rat.
You want only red.
Yeah. So this will give me Kohli,
Then
correct?
we use a name dot substring and 2 to 5.
Yes. So same. So rat means start from 2 and where it is
Yes.
ending, give 1 extra.
4. To 4 and then we use a 5.
So this will give me rat. Okay. So this is your logic for substring.
Okay.
Getting it?
Yes, sir.
So this is the array of strings, correct?
Yes, sir.
So which surname are we looking for?
Same.
Thing.
So why it is going surname dot length. So what is the length of the surname?
4.
5.
5. Okay.
5.
What is the length of this string? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct?
Yes, sir. Right.
So it will start from 0, go till 8. And what will it do? So what is
String
the
J
length?
to length.
What is the length of str of j? Means what is the length of Praveen Kumar, correct?
Yes,
Mm.
first.
From that Praveen Kumar, it wants to search whether Praveen Kumar has, he wants to display all the name which have Singh, which have what? So does Praveen Kumar have Singh in its name?
No.
How will it check that? So it is
Substring equals surname.
Praveen Kumar and length. So what is Praveen Kumar's length? Let's say Praveen is 6 and Kumar is 5. That is 11 and space is 1, 12. So 12 minus how much? 12 minus 5, which is 7, correct?
Yes.
So It is searching in str of j, that is in Praveen Kumar. It is searching for a substring from what index? Okay, see what it is trying to do is, if sing will appear from which index?
Every index, sir.
In
Uh,
Viraj,
no,
Yuvraj, Harbhajan,
Yuvraj, Harbhajan,
Gurjit,
Gurjit,
Sandeep.
Gurjit,
From which
Sandeep,
index?
Which
Milkha
index?
Singh. Yeah.
Which
Wait.
index will
Which
sing
index?
start?
0 to 0, 1, 1, 2,
8
3,
Is the
and 6, 7.
no, you're not getting the question. You are not getting the question.
Okay, you want to sing is from which index?
If there ever is sing, will start from, I have to eliminate how many characters. So start the
Okay.
search. So in Praveen Kumar,
Okay.
if I have a sing, so at what index will sing start from? The last 5 characters will be sing, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
His surname is Singh. So in Praveen Kumar, from where will Singh start? From which index?
No, there is no sing firstly, and if it is searching, then last 5 it check.
So from which index would you think it would start?
Length minus n minus 5.
It will start from which index? Okay, so what is the length of Praveen Kumar?
Seven. Its length is 7. After 7, sir.
13 length of Praveen Kumar.
I'm getting 12. How are you getting 13? Amit?
Sir, I'm including space.
Again, I'm including space.
5. Kumar is take 5. And Praveen 1, 2, 3,
Praveen
4,
is
5,
taking
6, 7. 7 plus 5, 12, and space
Okay,
is
so V is 3, E is 4, E is 5, 6 and 7. 8,
6.
9, 10, 11, 12.
Yes, sir.
So this is Praveen is how much? 7.
7.
Kumar is 5, 12.
5.
Yeah, so length is 13, correct?
Yes, sir.
So if I want to search for length of this is 13, correct? So if I want to search for sing, from which index should I start the search from?
After the space.
Yeah, so which index? Which
9.
index? Can you see this, Amir?
Yes, sir. 9. No?
Why 9? 9 is you.
8, sir.
Okay.
8.
8. Sir, I am taking 1 starting from. So, sorry.
So I've given you the indexes over here.
Yes, sir.
From
I
which
got it.
index should things
8.
start from?
8, sir. 8.
So what is the length of sing?
5.
Length of string is 5.
So from which index should we start the search?
Last one.
From which index should we calculate the substring? In Praveen Kumar's case, which index?
8.
8.
How do I
Start
get that?
from 8.
So
Is
how
it
do I
start-
get the 8?
5.
The length of this string minus the length of the string I'm searching for, correct?
Yes.
Not understood.
Length of this string.
So, sir,
What is the length of Praveen
length
Kumar?
of total length minus the Praveen length.
What is the length of Praveen Kumar?
Praveen Kumar length is a 13 and Praveen is a
What is the
7.
length
Then
of
13 minus 7.
what is the length of the string I'm searching for? I'm searching for sing, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So what is the length of the search string?
So
Five.
search string in a total length minus Praveen length. The remaining word is compare with sing. It's a matching or not. If a matching, then it's a print. Otherwise, skip.
Amir, I'm starting the search from which character? Okay, you all got this, right? The last which I wrote, I guess I did not hope I did not delete that. Okay. So here, if I want to remove Kohli, what will be the substring? What will be the substring to remove only Kohli from this string? Here I'm at this page. If I
Yes,
want
sir.
to extract Kohli from this, what will be the substring?
6.
If you want
Extra
to print
Kohli.
only
Sir, -6.
Virat, not Kohli, right, sir?
I want Kohli. I want this.
Acha, you want only Kohli, then
Kohli.
print
Substring
name dot
is Kohli.
substring 6.
6. So when I give 6 means
Kohli.
start the 6 go till the end, correct?
Yes, correct,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Which number will I give here? I'm asking.
6, sir.
6, correct?
6. Exactly, sir.
Similarly, logic I am using over here. If I want to extract sing, sing is the last 5 characters.
Yes.
So I will extract the last 5 characters from all of these, from Praveen Kumar, from Yuvraj Singh, from Harbhajan Singh, from Virat Kohli. I'll extract the last 5 characters.
Yes, sir.
If
Yes,
I want
sir.
to extract the last 5 characters from Praveen Kumar, how will I do it? I should extract from which index to extract the last 5?
8,
Eight.
sir.
How will I get-
Substring 8.
So how will I get to that 8 digit?
Then
So I will
we
take-
write the substring 8. Then you
Yeah. How will I
give
get to
only-
this 8? How will I get this? Because it will be in Praveen Kumar, it will be 8. In Yuvraj Singh, it will be what? In Yuvraj Singh, it will be which character?
5.
Sir,
Huh?
5, sir. Starting Yuvraj taking a 5
7,
step.
7.
From 7 index, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
7 index.
So what is that logic? How am I getting to 7 in Yuvraj and how am I getting 8 in Praveen Kumar? And Harbhajan Singh, it might be different, right?
Yes, sir.
So I will say, what is the length of Praveen Kumar? 13 minus the length of the string I am searching. So 13 minus 8 is what? 13 minus 5 is what?
8.
So start the substring from that character. So if I take a substring from 8, what will it give me?
Kumar.
And is it the string I am searching for?
No.
So I will not display this name. Okay, what is the length of Yuvraj Singh?
Eleven.
Hmm?
11. Yes.
11, right?
Yes.
12, right? 11 is the last index. 6 in Yuvraj, 5 in Singh, and 1 space. How much?
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir. 12.
Length is what?
12.
12.
12.
What is the length of Singh?
5.
So what will be the difference? 12
7.
minus 5, how much?
7.
7.
So start and searching the string from 7. What will it give me?
String.
If I do a substring, will give me Singh, right?
But sir,
Yes.
all logic are
this
good, sir.
state-
In case of
Hmm?
Rohit Sharma, is a spelling is 2, 4, 6 here. Is a Sharma contain a 6 letter. But
Okay.
then what we do?
Yeah, same logic will apply. So let's come to Rohit Sharma. So what are the indexes?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Rohit has 4.
Rohit has 5. Index starts from 0. Don't give me this rubbish.
0, 1,
Rohit has 4.
2, 3, 4.
Sharma starts with 6, right?
Yes, sir.
Five is the space.
So how many characters in Rohit Sharma?
11.
Total 11.
Amir, how many characters in Rohit Sharma?
Sorry, character. 5. Rohit and Sharma is
6.
How many characters are there in this word?
11.
It is in
11,
double
sir.
quotes.
Yes, sir,
You
11.
guys drunk or what? I was sitting upside down. If 11th is the last index, how many characters are there?
12.
12,
11,
sir.
Length of
Space,
the last
include
index is 7.
including space 7. Yes, sir.
Thanks, man. What is the length of Rohit Sharma?
12.
12.
And which string am I searching for?
Sing 5.
What is the length of that string?
12
5.
minus
From where will I remove the substring? From which index?
6.
From which index? 12 minus 5 is 6, so what?
7.
7.
7. So which string will it give me? If I say substring of 7 and Rohit Sharma is the string. Which string?
Sharma.
it is space sh.
Which string will it give me?
Harma.
Harma. Harma.
Harma. Is Harma same as the string I am searching for?
No, sir.
So it will not display Rohit Sharma.
No. Because it's not matching to Sing. Yes.
Got it? So
Yes,
that is
sir.
what logic is being applied over here.
ठीक है, sir.
So he is taking the surname which is Singh, and then he's saying the length of the surname. So what is the length of the surname? What is the length of surname? Surname is this. I'm searching for.
Yes.
5.
5.
So in what is in this variable?
5.
5. Okay. Now I run a for loop till the entire array. Okay. Till the size. Now what is the length of Praveen Kumar?
I think 13.
What is the length of Praveen Kumar?
13.
13.
13. From that 13, I want to extract the last 5 characters. What will I do? Substring of 13 minus 5 will give what?
Right.
8. So
8.
from this thing, from the 8th character, what do you get?
Kumar.
Kumar.
Kumar. And
Kumar.
then compare Kumar with what?
Sing.
So Kumar comes in which variable?
Sub str.
And then is substring equal to the surname?
Surname. Okay,
It's
here's a
equal to-
2.
No.
Actually,
No. So will it go in?
No, sir. No, it will not
Then it
go
will
to it.
skip. Then it will take the next name. Next is Yuvraj Singh. What is
Yuvraj
length of
Singh.
Yuvraj Singh?
Raj.
What is length of Yuvraj Singh?
12. Yes.
12. What is the
Yes.
length of the surname?
5.
12 minus 5, how much?
7.
7.
From the 7th character onward, what will you get?
Sing.
Singh will come in substring. And is substring
Yes.
matching with the surname?
Yes.
Yes.
So it will
Yes,
display that.
Match. Display that.
Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so have a knack of solving such problems. This is the first interview round. This is what substring does. You can search for a particular string in a. This is we have done on an array of characters. We search for a string. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then next function which we have to do on string substring is done, right? Contains means what? If I give you a string, okay. If I give you a string, I like Java. Okay, this is your str1. Does this string contains Java? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
If I say str1 dot contains, so will it be true or false?
True.
So how could we have done the same logic using contains over here now?
str.contain string.
So we could have done what for integer I equals to 0. Let's say this array was str. What was this array?
str.
Array was
You
str.
might have
Okay, this array was str, string str. It was an array of strings. Okay, so now tell me, this was one logic to find all the name with string. Can you have a different logic now?
Oh,
Okay, will there be a bracket or will there not be a bracket after length? Will there be a bracket or will there not be a bracket? After
bracket is
the
there.
need two brackets, sir. If you yes,
bracket will be there or will not be there?
Yes.
not sir.
Why not?
There is
See,
no
the
need to.
difference between length and length. The difference between length keyword and length method. Length keyword gives you size of an array, gives you what?
Size of file.
And length function gives you length of a string, gives you what? So now I want to iterate to the array,
Okay.
correct? So what will I use? Length keyword or length string? Length function.
Length
If you
function,
want
sir.
the length of a string,
Because we
then
need
you,
length of the string. Yes.
Now we are
then
doing
you use
the
a
entire array, correct? So length keyword, I want to iterate to the entire array. Now what is in I? So what is str of I now?
Praveen,
Huh?
str of I. Praveen Kumar, sir. Yeah. Sorry, 0. str length. Okay. It's not function.
So what is in str of I? I'm asking. What is in str of I?
STRI is a zero positions is a Praveen Kumar.
Praveen Kumar. Now
Yes,
is,
sir.
is this surname Singh?
No,
So
contains C.
got it.
Yes.
This is the most Easier logic than that one, correct? So then
Yes, sir.
str of I. Now Praveen Kumar, does it contain Singh?
No,
No.
Put the if over there. So will it go in the if or will it not?
not, sir. It will not.
Just to check it and then outside the loop terminate.
Eh?
First,
Outside-
it check the stri dot contains is a Sing is uh, available or not. If not, then exit the loop.
Yes, sir. Mashallah.
What?
Congratulations. Amir, will it exit the loop if Singh is not there?
No, sir. It will go to int I1.
Then does
Yes,
that
sir.
have Singh?
Yes, sir.
Will
Yuvraj
it
has
display?
seen display. Yes.
And then next I becomes 2. Then Harbhajan Singh, will it
Hmm.
display Harbhajan Singh?
Yes, sir. Because
Yeah.
Harbhajan
Then
Singh has
Virat-
his string.
Gurjeet Singh, will it display Gurjeet Singh?
Yes.
Will it display Virat Kohli?
No, sir.
Rohit Sharma?
No.
Sandeep Singh? Milka Singh?
Yes. Milka Singh. Yes.
Correct?
Okay.
Okay, now
Yes.
if I have one more entry, now what do you all say? So will it display this chap or not?
Yes, it can display. Sir,
But is
according
he
to my
surname
first
same?
answer, when I told you that the function is ended, exit is not meaning a properly exit. It means ki if condition is not fulfilled, then it goes to a for loop again to check on next iterations.
So you
That's
told
the
it
meaning of
the
my
for loop.
line.
You said it will exit the for loop. So what do I understand
No,
with exit?
sir, I'm not taking like that. Exit a for loop. I'm only asking about the if condition, not a for loop. It's a check. Condition is true or not.
So if it is not Praveen Kumar, you said it will exit the for loop.
Exit the
Yes.
if
You
loop, sir.
said
If loop, then it check the
Condition.
next
It is a condition.
iteration.
If it is not a loop.
Sir, it check if a condition is true. In case of I position is a 0, then okay, it's saying, then it print. Else it goes to again for loop and check it like that.
Yeah, that is what I was expecting.
Anyway,
Okay, if it is Mahendra Singh Dhoni now, is his surname now? What will happen to Mahendra Singh Dhoni? Will it display?
yes, sir. Display
But
it
is it-
because
is his
string is
surname-
contained here, sir.
But I want only those guys whose surname is Singh. Dhoni's middle name is Singh. I want his surname. Now what to do? I showed that yesterday. I don't know if anyone did ponder on that. I showed that method yesterday before the end of the session. When the session was coming to a close, I showed a string function.
And with
Yes. So instead of saying contains, we can say
and with.
it should not contain, but the string should ends with. Should do what? Now, is Praveen
Yes,
Kumar
sir.
ending with a Singh?
Exactly, sir. Right now it's
No.
not properly.
Yeah, so the condition will be false, so it will not go in the if condition. It will not go in the if condition, and then it will go to the next iteration.
yes.
So then is Yuvraj Singh ending with a Singh? So instead of contains, we can use ends with. Okay. So you all know the difference between these minute methods. So try to figure out and try to understand these. We did index of yesterday, correct? Okay. Convert the string to lowercase, convert the string to uppercase. Okay. Trim means remove the spaces at the start and at the end. So if I have a text box and I get an iCard of a student, student name is Alice. Okay, I come and enter in my software and I want to check Alice belongs to which class. And while searching, what I do is I by mistake enter a space and then I enter Alice. So will it find the record or not? Will this record be found? Yes or no?
It's a start with Alice.
I got an iCard in the college. I want to search to which student this iCard belongs to. She is studying in which standard. So I go to the software and I want to search. So I enter the name of the student, but while entering the name, I enter a space by mistake.
No, it's not finding this because it is starter.
So my
Understood.
string should not consider the spaces at the start, correct?
Right.
Yes.
So it should remove that space. Similarly, if I enter by mistake Alice and at the end I give a space,
Hmm.
should these spaces be considered?
Yes, sir.
No.
Okay, right, sir. It's not well considered. Exactly
So
right, sir.
trim those
Yes,
spaces.
sir.
You can do what? But it
Trim.
will not trim the space in the middle. So if her name is Alice Ben, this space will not be trimmed. Only those spaces in the start or those spaces at the end, only those spaces will be trimmed. Trim will trim the white spaces at the start and end.
Right. Sir,
Okay.
contain method is just a minute, sir.
Yes.
What is the function of the contain method?
To find whether some string is there in a large string. So does
Only
large
last string,
contain-
only last or a string.
everywhere contains will search for everywhere. If you have a big string, so if you have
So
a big,
it means that when we write a Mahendra Singh Dhoni, it's accepted.
see what I'm trying to show is if you have something of this nature. Now, does this contain a 3?
Yes,
Does
sir.
this string contains 3?
Hmm.
So if you want to search for a small string in a large string, you can use contains.
Mhm.
And if you want to search at the end only, then you will use ends with.
ठीक है.
Got it?
Hmm.
So contains will search for a small string in a large string. In the entire string, it will search from start to end.
It means, sir, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, it accepted, na, sir?
Yeah, it accepted. That's why I use ends with. No?
That's-
That's why I'm not using contains.
Yes.
So I'm using only those strings with end with a sing. So will not take Praveen Kumar.
I was right, sir, at that time, sir.
So let's take the next string now. Okay, now I want you all to have a split function. What does a split function do?
Split function divide a string in 2 parts. It's called a string yours.
So if I have a string called as my name is Alice, and if I split this on the character called as single quotes, what will this string look like? What will this string look like if I split the string on a single quote character? So let's take it as string called as sentence. Okay. So I have a string called as sentence, and this is my sentence. And if I now say sentence dot split and on the space character. So what this will do is it will convert this string into an array. It will convert the string into an array and store the elements in an array wherever space has come. So my will come here. Name will come here because it is an array of strings, right? My will come here, name will come here, is will come here, and Alice will come here. So on the LHS, I will have a string array. So if on the LHS, I will have a string array in which it will split this sentence. So this will
So
become
it
S
means
0. This will become S of 1. This will become S of 2. This will become S of 3. Who understood what the split function does?
yes, sir.
What does it do? Yes, Ataullah.
Yes, sir.
It will convert into an array.
Okay, array of strings,
Array of strings. Yes.
and then we can iterate this array. Okay, how many ways do I have to iterate this array? Okay, in a string, I want to count the occurrence of the word. I want to count the occurrence of the words. So if I say, I like Java programming, I am pursuing a course called Java Full Stack Developer. Java is easy. Okay, in this, I want you to search for the occurrences of Java. Tell me, how many times has Java occurred? Who can tell me?
3 times, sir.
Yes, I want the output as 3.
Um,
Who can, what logic will apply now?
I can check line by line and in a word to word.
Okay, so how will you do that?
Um, um,
Sir, first split the string sentence dot
You
split.
will split the string and then you will convert this into an array.
Yes,
You will have,
first.
you
Yes,
will
sir.
have
First split.
like
Yes, sir.
blah blah blah. This will become your array one. After
Yes.
splitting that string, you are
Yes.
storing it into a
Array.
array. Yeah.
Yes,
So all these will be your strings. Blah blah
And
blah. Now what
check.
to do?
Yes. 0, 1, 2, 3. Then take a variable, store them Java and search with string.
This is your S1 string, S1 array, and then this is your search keyword,
Yes.
which is Java.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now, okay, let's do it practically.
Yes.
Yes,
And search with S1.
I'll do all this stuff. If you all want, I can give you this code so that you all can know how we can use the format function.
using a formula up
Yes,
to the
sir.
line.
So now let me erase this, but I've shared the code with you all. Okay, so this is my string sentence. Okay, so I'll give a simple sentence. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Okay, and my search string is I want to search 1. Now tell me how many.
First, split the sentence.
So what we can do is we'll take a string array
String
S
S1.
and S1, okay,
Okay.
and
Oh.
split this sentence into using which character do you want to split it? Which character do you want to split it on? If I had the
1,
data like
2,
this, comma separated, then on which
comma
character?
separated.
Which character would you split it now?
Which
On which character would you split this string?
3,
Hmm?
1, 2,
Which
3.
character is a separator over here?
Commas.
So you will split on which character? Getting it?
Yes, sir.
If the string is this, now which character will you split it?
Space.
Yeah, so that is you should know
Yes, sir.
which character you are splitting it.
Yes, sir.
Now you got the
Okay, sir.
array
Got it.
S1. Now using this split, you have got
Yes.
that this has come at 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3
2,
index,
3,
4 index. Now
4. Yes, sir. Correct.
what to do?
Using a for loop.
Sir,
Using a
yes,
for
for
loop.
loop.
Have you all worked on for
Yes.
each?
Yes, you can.
So what we can do is
Yes, sir. For it.
string S
String
from
S
which array?
colon
From which
colon,
array?
yes. Sentence.
S1.
From array
S1.
S come in S. Now what is in S? Now what is in S in the first iteration?
Position.
1.
Each iteration from this array, this is the array right now,
Yes, sir.
the splitting will come in the variable S. Now in the first iteration, what is in S?
0 position 1.
1. So what will you check? If your S is equals to what?
Equals to search.
And if it is equal to search, then what to do?
Yes.
Let's check an integer counter. Let's check an integer.
Print.
So what will I do?
Counter.
If it
Counter plus plus.
counter plus.
Counter plus plus.
And after the loop terminate, what will I display? So I want to display 1 occurs 3 times. I want to display 1 occurs
Total.
3 times. So how will I say
Total
that?
number of ones.
No, I want to
Yeah.
display 1 occurs 3 times. I want to display this.
Okay. 1 occurs 3 times. 1
Okay,
occurs
kid.
counter.
No. Then
1
we
occurs
write
counter
1
time.
occur
Yeah, tell me.
and counter.
Okay.
Right.
Anyone else with a more refined answer? That is okay. I want a more refined answer. What if I search for 2 then?
Then we write
Enter
so
two.
we search
Yes.
here
So
as
1 occurs
search.
2.
Sir, we write here a system dot out on println search search plus this what we write, sir. The question is what, sir? Can you show me your question? Yes,
I want this as answer.
right, sir.
Correct? Search
Yes.
string occurs this many times. So now what am I
Yes.
searching for?
Two.
Whatever
It
is shown
shows two.
What will it
Yes.
show?
Two.
What will it
Two
show?
times.
Two occurs.
Output is 2 times.
Space over
We
here
take
only.
a space here. Yes.
Two occurs. Okay, so given space over here also. Okay. Okay, on a similar line, now I want. Okay, have we done wrapper classes with you all?
Please share this code.
Have you done wrapper classes with you all?
Mm.
What is a wrapper?
Integer, character.
Yeah, correct. So what does a wrapper class do? Any idea? What does a wrapper class do? So if I have okay, what is the difference between these two? What is the difference between these two?
I think nothing, sir. Because 1, 2, 3 is a string and 1, 2, 3 A is also a string.
Okay. 1, 2, 3 is a numeric string and 1, 2, 3 A is an alphanumeric string. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir, correct.
So if I want to convert this and store it into an integer variable, can I do it?
Yes, by
Yes.
using the wrapper class, we
So
can.
how will I do it? So let's say this string is S1. Tell me, how will I do it?
Using a
Yes.
wrapper class of integer is an integer,
Integer
capital
wrapper
letter. Yes, integer dot parseInt
class.
and name of the variable S1
So what will this give me? This will give
integer
me.
value.
Okay, if I try to do the same on this, what will happen
There's a
over here? On this,
okay. Is a S2.
what will
Is
happen over here?
converted. Let's check, sir.
What will happen if I try to do the same over here? Yes, Farooq, Ataullah, Mehtab.
You're trying this one here, it shows a 1, 2, 3 in place of A.
No, this string is a alphanumeric string, okay? So this
Okay.
logic will work when the string is only numeric. This is a numeric string. But if it is an alphanumeric string, then this logic will not work. So what will happen if we are trying to do this? Is my question.
Error.
Just this when you do
That's
exception,
not shows error.
it will throw number format exception. Did we do
Okay.
this? What will it throw? Which exception will this throw? If I write this code,
Number format exception.
you want to check, you can check out. Okay, so I've shared this code. I can now delete this. So I am trying to write integer n1 equals to integer dot parse int, and I try to write over there 1, 2, 3 A. So what am I expecting over here? Are you able to see my Eclipse screen? What
Yes,
am
sir.
I expecting over here?
Numbers throws exception.
Yes, Amir?
Number throws exception, sir.
Number format.
Number
Exception.
format, sorry.
I'm expecting a number format. Am I handling that exception? Am I
Yes,
handling that?
sir.
Yes.
Am I handling the exception?
Where? No, sir.
Then what will happen?
Default JVM handle these situations.
Yes.
What is that?
And it print exceptions name by interrupting the program and stop the flow of the program, and it shows a error.
So if I run this, which exception will it throw?
Number format exception.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
So now what do I do to handle it?
By using the try catch block.
And if I am
We have-
successful in doing it,
Hmm.
if I am successful in doing it, then let's say if I have this string, will I be successful in doing it?
6-1.
Will I be successful in doing this?
Yes, sir.
It's line we do successfully.
Will
But
this be-
sir, no, it's program is stopped because the line number 5 is showing an exception, and we're not using here a try and catch block to caught the exception. That compiler stopped the program and interrupting the program and showing a message by default.
now
But it also stop the program.
yeah, but it will display me 1, 2, 3, no?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. But sir, line number 6 is also there, na? And we
It will
not use the try
display me
catch
1, 2,
block.
3 and then terminate. It will display me 1, 2, 3 and then terminate.
Yes.
Because the exception is occurring at this line number 6, correct?
Yes, sir.
So my question to you guys now is, let's see how good you all have become at programming. I take a string. Okay, I take a string and I say, I am 21 years old and 5.11 feet tall, and my birthday is on 13 February 2022. I am 53.6 kg. Okay. Yeah, I weigh. Okay, this is a sentence I have. Any problem with this sentence? Why is it showing a problem? Did not give a semicolon. Okay, so this is the sentence. What is the sentence? What is the sentence?
I'm 21 years old and 5.11 feet tall. My birthday is on 13.
This is the sentence.
Well, birthday is a 22 years.
I'm sending on the WhatsApp chat, so I can read from there. Tell me. What is the sentence? Yes, guys. What is the sentence?
I
You have a
am 21.
chat.
Yes, sir.
Refer to the WhatsApp chat if you want to read.
Yes, sir.
Someone can read it. Amir.
Yes, sir. I am
Yeah.
21 years old and 5.11 feet tall, and my body is on,
Birthday.
sorry, birthday
Is
is
on
on 13 Feb 2022. I weighed 50.
Sir,
Okay.
2022, sir, how is possible, sir?
2002. Sorry, my bad. Okay. So now tell me, out of this,
My weight is
in this, how many integers are there?
there's 21 is the integer. Only 3 integers are here.
So it has 3 integers, right? And how many doubles
Yes.
are there?
Double is a 2.
So I want this.
Five for total 5.
I want this output.
Okay.
From
want
this,
to this.
string, I want you to count the number of integers and number of doubles.
Okay. Then we use
The first thing first, you all know what to do. What to do first thing first?
first we search in
First,
the
first what to do? Amir,
Sir, we can see.
sentence split.
yeah, you split the sentence, right?
Yes.
So you on which
By using
on which,
the
on which
space, space.
on the space separator. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you have got everything in where?
S1.
S1. Now you will iterate. Now can I convert this I string into an integer?
No.
No, sir.
Now, let me keep the count of them. So integer count of int initialized to 0 and
Yes.
integer count of double initialized to 0. Now this I after splitting, my list would be something of this nature. After this split, my S1 will be something of this nature. Right? So this I is
Right,
at
sir.
0 index.
Sentence. Yes, sir.
M is a string at 1 index. 21 is a string at 2 index. Yours is a string,
Yes.
correct?
Yes,
So these
sir.
are all
Correct.
strings I have got in the S array at these indexes.
Mhm.
Yes, no, maybe.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So now I iterate through each string. So I do what? S1, correct? Yes or no? So now what is in S in the
Sir.
first instance?
Can you use for loop, sir? Right now,
Don't do
please.
for loop.
Yes, sir.
For loop will be a bit tedious. It will be like this.
Yes, sir. For understanding easy way, because I'm not
Yes, sir.
practicing for each more.
This is
That's why I'm
more.
asking.
Yeah, so okay, now
Yes, sir. Now it's more
what
easier.
is in S1 of 0 now?
I
And S in the second iteration.
am. Second
Here we
iteration, it will
trying
be
to
M.
convert
Okay, now what? So if I display S1 of I, what will be the output?
I.
I.
First is I.
If I display this, I'm in a loop.
Yes.
There in time, I'm in a loop. If I
Okay.
display this, what is the output?
I.
First will I.
What is the output? I am in a loop.
Okay, if you are in the loop, then it shows a continual total statement, sir.
On each line on separate lines.
Separate lines.
Yeah, so
Separate
why
lines, sir.
you are asked to answer that? Okay, make sense?
Yes.
Now I am trying to convert each
Yes.
into an
Yes, sir.
integer. So if I try to say integer dot parse int, am I successful in the first case?
Yes.
Over
No.
here, here,
Mm,
here.
Yes.
So am I
Yes.
successful over here?
21. Yes.
Yes.
No.
No.
First is no. 0 to 1.
Third is
Yeah.
yes.
So what will happen over here then? The first iteration.
Exception occur. Format number.
That exception now.
Number
Number
format
format exception,
exception
sir.
occurs, sir. In-
Correct.
Yes, sir.
What will
Yes,
be?
sir.
Then we do the try catch block.
So will this be? So what we do, if it is successful, then what will happen?
If it's successful, then it shows a value or count.
Count
Int.
in plus plus.
Yes, sir.
And if it is not successful, then what will happen?
Then next iteration, it check the next iterations.
So this is the problem which is going to caught. This is the sentence which is going to throw an exception, correct?
Yes, sir.
So what do we do to such
Then we
statements?
try
And if it throws an exception, which is the exception it is going to throw?
catch
Number
Number.
format
format
exception.
exception
E. Yes.
Okay.
E1.
Reference. Yes.
And I will do nothing. I will just put it. So the number of times it does not throw an exception, my counter will increase.
Yes.
Yes or no? And the number of time it will throw an exception will go in this. And I'm doing nothing well, just maintaining it. So when it throws I, when it checks for I, what does it check for first?
I position.
I. So now is
Yes.
I able to convert to integer?
No.
So what will happen? Which what will occur?
Catch format exception.
So it will go over here and it will catch. I'm doing nothing. Okay. Then it will take the next M. Is M able to convert to integer?
No.
No. It will go over here. It will catch. It is doing nothing. The program is not terminating. Correct.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Not
sir.
Then I
terminated.
come to 3. So is 3 able to convert to integer?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Counter plus plus. Then blah blah blah. Then after the for loop, I can say. After the for loop, I can say what? Number of integers are. Number of
Integer are count int plus count int.
are plus.
Count int.
Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's start on it.
And sir,
Right.
what for count double? It's only a one format.
Do the same for
Okay.
double. Do the same for.
We can write here also a double with integer or not.
So
Yeah, we can write a separate line for this.
because in whenever you're doing double, no,
Hmm.
int can always be converted to a double.
Yes.
Okay, let us first write the simplest of logic, then we will come to a bit complex logic. Okay, let's first do simple logic. So same thing. What I'll do is pass what?
Pass double. In place of int, we can use a
what
double
I
in
do?
both sides. Is an integer class.
Double.
Wrapper class is also a double.
And then what we can do? Yeah, wrapper class also is double, correct. And then we can do count double, correct.
Double.
And then we can say number of
Double R.
are
Count double. DUB.
correct. Now let's run this. So now if I run this code, there are how many doubles? Number of doubles are 5. Why is it
5.
taking 5? Because by widening, this also is a double, correct?
Yes, sir.
So what should we do then?
Total number. It count the total numbers.
Minus that
Count.
with the. So whatever count int has been, subtract that. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Who understood this? So like this, you can play around with strings and do exception handling also.
Sir, it's the nice program, sir. Good, sir. Excellent. Simple and easy. Can we write both a line in a one statement integer or a double to make the program short? Or
Now what we can do is over here, if it is an integer, count integer, and then if the same thing we can do over here also.
Okay, so it's in
But
we
the
write
issue is if it is not an integer, directly it will go, and if it is one, yeah, I guess this should work. Let's check. Let's check. Let's check it out. Oh, we can eliminate. Okay. Let's run it and show this. Doubles are 0. Doubles are 0. Why is it saying 0? Because it is not going to the double counter at all. Because whenever it is an int, it is directly taking an int only. And doubles, when it is going over there, let's just display count double. See what this has in store for us. 3, 3. Why so 3, 3? Why so 3, 3? See, now when it goes to 21, 21 is an integer, count plus plus, and 21 is also a double count. So we can say over here, continue. So continue means take the next. What happened over here? Unreachable 4. Why is it unreachable? Continue means I take the next iteration. Why should it
Yes.
throw an error over here? I take the integer. I think like this. Let me try this. So is 121, can it be converted to a double? Yes. Double count plus 4. Can 21 be converted to an integer? Okay, got it? So first check for the double, then check for the count. Now let's increase. Okay, now at old I write 6.3. Now what should be the output? Now what should be the output?
output is integer is 2 and double is 3. The doubles are 3.
Okay, now I put over here 17. Now 21, 17, 13 and 2002. What is it?
4.
Right?
4
20,
integer.
17, 13 and 2002. These are 4 integers. And how many doubles?
Yes, sir. 3, sir.
3,
6.3, 5.11 and 53.6.
4, 3.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Then, sir,
Understood.
what logic you use here, sir? Which kind of logic, sir?
We are trying to first convert to double, and then we are trying to convert to integer. So is 21 converted to a double?
Okay.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Double count will become 1,
Mm-hmm.
and is double 21 converted to an integer?
Okay.
Both are 1.
Yes,
Is
sir.
6.2 converted to a double?
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is 6.3
Yes.
converted to an integer?
No.
No. Then is 5.11 converted to a double?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
3. Is 5.3 converted to an integer?
Yes, sir.
No. 5.11 not converted.
No, right, sir, right.
Okay. Now is 17 converted to a double?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So 4 and 2, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And next
Double
is
contain all integer and double values, and
widening is
integer
possible, no?
contain only integer values.
And now is 13 converted to a double?
Yes, sir.
So what? 5 and 3.
3.
Is 2022 converted to a? Yes, right? So
Yes, sir.
6
4.
and 4.
4.
And what is there after that?
Mhm.
Is 53.6 converted to a double?
Yes, sir.
So 7 and 4, correct?
Sir.
What is integer? Count int, correct? And what is double? Double minus integer, 7 minus 4, which is 3. Yes, no, maybe.
Sir, got it, sir. Yes, easy.
So guys, please practice on all this exceptions and strings. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I'll send some questions across by today evening and practice that. Okay. Okay then. Bye guys.
Okay, sir.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.